To enable instant payouts on Stripe, you must follow specific steps to ensure your Stripe account is eligible and properly configured. Verify your bank account. Before enabling instant payouts, ensure your bank account linked to Stripe is verified. This typically involves confirming your bank account details and undergoing a verification process. Check eligibility. Instant payouts may not be available in all regions or for all types of businesses. Verify whether your country and business type are eligible for instant payouts on Stripe. Enable instant payouts. Log into your Stripe dashboard and navigate to the Payouts section. Select the option to enable instant payouts. You may need to provide additional information or agree to specific terms and conditions. Review fees and processing times. Understand the fees associated with instant payouts and the processing times involved. Instant payouts typically incur additional fees compared to standard payout options. Test transactions. Before offering instant payouts to your customers, conduct test transactions to ensure the setup is functioning correctly. Verify that funds are transferred instantly to your bank account. Monitor transactions. Keep track of instant payout transactions and monitor your bank account to ensure funds are deposited promptly and accurately.